on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious chicken meatball recipe, and without wasting time, let's start with the ingredients. I'm going to use 1.5 pound ground chicken. It's a chicken keema, olive oil, 1 onion, 1 tomato, half cup besan, it's a gram flour, 1 egg, 2 green chili, quarter cup cilantro, it's a dhania, 1 teaspoon ginger, salt, garam masala, red chili flake, ajwain, red chili powder, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon each. As for chili, it's according to your taste, but I'm going to make it really hot. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients with our keema, and let's get started. Get a mixing bowl. I'll bring keema. This is really nice ground chicken keema, and now I'm going to bring onion, tomato, besan, ajwain, red chili flakes, red chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, salt, ginger, green chili, cilantro, dhania, and lastly the egg. We're going to make sure that it's nicely combined, all the spices, all the ingredients with our keema. Once it's nicely combined, this is how it's gonna look. I'm going to get the plastic wrap that we're going to put this one in the freezer for 20 minutes. So this is how it looks after taking out of the freezer. I have my fry pan ready and I'm going to start the gas. Keep the gas on high, so once it's going to heat up, then we're going to bring the gas to medium. So I'm going to use a couple tablespoons olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. We don't need too much oil, we just need so it can cover our bottom. So we're going to make sure that we tilt it on all sides, just like this, and it's nicely covered. As the oil heat up and the pan heat up, I'll bring the gas to medium. This is the carom seed, ajwain, and I grind it. This is the way to use it. The kids will enjoy it. Get a little oil on your hand, just like this. So once it's nicely coated, we're going to get this much, and we're going to make it nice, smooth ball, just like this. So that's going to be our chicken ball. And we're going to lay out. So I'm going to keep doing this, all of the meatballs, just like this. So what I have done to make it fast, I make all those meatballs. So we're going to just place it right in there. And I'm going to bring the gas to number 4. So we're going to keep cooking until it's fully cooked. So after a minute or so, we're going to keep rotating them. So make sure they don't touch each other. And once they start cooking, you will know that they're changing the color. Look at this, how delicious they're looking. So we're just going to keep turning each one of them, just like that. So if you have a screen splatter, put it on screen splatter like this. So it won't spray the oil on your countertop stays clean, also your camera lens stays clean, so there will be no oil. If you don't have the screen splatter, you can use a lid or cover, but cover it halfway, don't cover all the way. So I'm going to use this one. Every minute or so, I'm going to keep turning them over. Cooking for 10 minutes. What I did every minute or so, I keep rotating them, and they are looking really nice. They are fully cooked. Plate ready, and I put the paper towel. So we're going to take out all the meatball, so it will soak up extra oil. Prior to adding a new batch, I'm going to bring the more olive oil. If there is any onion or tomato piece come up, please take it out. I have my second batch ready. Put it in, each one of them, and we're going to cook them. So I'm going to keep turning just like this as it changes the color, and we're going to keep cooking. So within 10 minutes, they will be nicely cooked. altogether cooking for 5 minutes. This is how they look. And keep turning them over every minute or so. Altogether cooking for 10 minutes. I'm going to turn off the gas. Our meatball is all ready. And I'm going to dish them now. And let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious chicken meatball recipes are ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.